I'm not gonna wait 2 months to go race east. It's too much waiting. I feel good, so we're heading West Coast, baby.
Probably the biggest 250 news on who's racing where is going to be this guy. Haiden Deegan, obviously, as you watched the first clip, announced he's going to be racing west. So that means A1 right off the bat. We're seeing him, and I'm excited about this. Like, whether you hate him, love him, or in between, which is very, very small percentage of you, you have to admit he's incredible for the sport. Bringing in fans, which I know a lot of people hate, all the diaper fans, whatever. It is what it is. Don't gatekeep. Like this is a huge following person. This is a lot of new fans into the sport. It's helping grow this sport. Whether you like it or hate it, it is a positive. You can't just be one of those people who's going to say, all these people have only liked this sport for so many years because of this fan. Yeah, that happens all the time. It happens every generation when there's a new, the best person coming out, and you can't hate on it. Don't gatekeep. Don't be that old fart who sits there and these new fans, they don't know anything. Doesn't matter. I'm excited about this. And the question is, who's he going to be racing, really? We know a few people going east, and I'm just excited. I'm ready for A1. I think we're, 20, as you'll end up watching this, like 25 days or something like that from the start of the season. And I think this is going to be good. I mean, obviously, the plan, at least I believe I read this, is he's not going 450s until 27. So he's going to be probably West Coast, this year. Obviously, well, not probably, definitely West Coast this year. I don't know if he would try and defend it the 26th then, or go east and try to have both titles. Who knows? That's a pipe dream down the road. It's going to be the question of, can he win, this Supercross title this year? He already has the motocross title, so now it's going to start being, when can you win the big money part of this sport? Obviously, motocross is the hard, warm summer day riding, but Supercross is where all the money is, where all the sponsors really want to be, and it's where you want to win your titles. Like, let's be honest, it doesn't matter how many motocross titles you win. While as impressive as that is, it's always about how many Supercross titles you have, how many, how many wins you can rack up, and I'm excited for this. Again, I'm gonna keep saying that because we're in this winter. We have no racing series going on except for Arena Cross right now. And it's going to be a good year, I think, with the whole 450 thing of how many big factory guys we've got. And now the 250s of Deegan. And if he can win this title, like obviously he had a pretty good chance at it last year. Pretty good, just competitive. And the older he gets, the more he's got to be winning. Because if he doesn't win a 250 title and then has to go up to 450s, or how long is he going to stay down here? Who knows? I think he's going to definitely win. At least he has to be a preseason favorite into this, no matter who, no matter how many people come to race. And the funny thing is, was it Star is going to have 8 riders, so that means 4 on each coast. Who knows how that plays out in the long run? But I think it's going to be a good year. Either way it happens, I'm excited for this, man. Back to motorcycle racing, back to dirt bike racing, supercross. Always a good time of year. So that's why I leave you guys. Comment down below, tell me what you think. Who do you think wins A1, 450s, 250s? Do you think Haiden Deegan's going to win a title, or whatever you think? Comment down below. Tell me what you think. And while you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.